What's in the box? I'm Ben from SafeDrive Solutions. This is the Thinkware F790 2-channel bundle. So, what's in the box? Well, first things first, you have your front camera here. Use 3M adhesive to mount it on the windshield. If you want to change the angle of the camera, this just changes the angle right there. Right here is your SD card slot, so you can put an SD card up to 128 gigs. It does come with a 32 gig card in the box. All your buttons are here. There's also a quick release tab, so if you want to release the unit and take it off. It is pretty tight, so it may not be a quick release, but you can still take it off. Here is your rear camera as well. And your Hardwire cable. Keep in mind there is no cigarette lighter plug-in in the box of this unit at all. You also have the rear camera cable for running the rear camera. They've changed the whole system here. So if you've had prior Thinkware systems, keep in mind they've gone to a single connector here. And then what happens is this here plugs into that and all the other cables go out. They've just gone to this just so it's got a little bit of a more sleek design, looks a little bit nicer. Keep in mind, if you have an older Thinkware, it's not going to plug into this new style unit. Anyways, if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Happy to help. Cheers.